To subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hello everyone and welcome to IBS Yoga. This is Upasana and in this video I'm going to share you details about Trikonasana, the benefits, contraindications, how to do the asana and history about the asana. So let's start with the introduction of the Trikonasana. It is a standing yoga pose that tones the legs, reduces stress and increases stability. The word Trikonasana comes from the Sanskrit word tri meaning three, kona meaning angle and asana meaning pose. Equally balanced strength. Triangle pose can be a building block for balance and grace in all areas of your life. Practicing this pose on a regular basis will bring poise, strength and equanimity to your everyday routine. How to do the asana? In a standing pose, 1 to 2 feet gap, stand straight, hands in T shape, slowly bend towards your one side, take left side and try to touch your hand to your left toe, look towards the ceiling side and the right hand straight on your head. Come up, straight, hands down, legs together. Benefits of Trikonasana: stimulates and improves the function of blood through the entire body, straightens and stretches the hips, back, arms, thighs, legs and toning the knees and ankles. Reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Cure indigestion. Gives flexibility to groins, hamstrings and hips. It also stimulates the organs of the torso, improving metabolism. It is known to be therapeutic for anxiety, flat feet, infertility, osteoporosis and even sciatica. More than just a simple stretch, Trikonasana improves overall balance and stability both physically and mentally. It increases body confidence and courage, creating poise and grace both on and off the mat. Important note: triangle pose, Trikonasana, variation 34 variations of triangle pose. Contraindications of Trikonasana: do not practice triangle pose if you have low blood pressure or are experiencing headaches or diarrhea. Those with high blood pressure should turn their heads downward in step 9. Those with neck injuries should not turn their heads to the face top head but should continue looking straight ahead. Always work within your own range of limits and abilities. If you have any medical concerns, talk to your doctor before practicing yoga.